Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit log for Valorant and the best settings to help lower your ping, reduce packet loss, and improve your overall gaming experience. So, if you want to try exit log with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. And let's get started. First, we have to open our exit log and log into your account. And in order to activate our application, we have to toggle the green slider on at the right top corner. Then we can just simply click connection or add, or simply just search Valorant at the search bar at the left top corner here. Select the game. That, as you can see, that we have been redirected into the server section, so we can just simply select it. And there's a two server here. We have an automatic and manual server. So I recommend leave it in automatic so XLog can choose the fastest and most stable routes for your connection. But if you prefer to choose a server manually, select the XLog server that's closest to your Valorant game server or the one that provides the lowest ping. You can experiment with different regions if needed to see which perform best. But for my preference, I have to click automatic and select my preferred region, which is Asia, and my preferred location, which is Manila. So here, now we can select the advanced settings and leave the use local routes first turned off unless you're troubleshooting your connection. And for most players, you can leave the remaining advanced settings at their default values. If your profile includes TCP routes and UDP routes, the default configuration is usually the best place to start. Then we can just re-optimize the button, click it before applying the routes. This refreshes your routing and checks for the best available connection. And we just have to wait for it to analyze the routes. And click the apply routes and wait again for the exit lag to finish optimizing your connection. Once the routes have been applied, you can launch your Valorant normally, and after entering a match, you should notice a more stable connection, fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother gameplay, especially during competitive matches. Exit lag continues optimizing your route while the game is running. So keep in mind that exit lag can create through zero ping. Your latency still depends on your internet connection and your distance from the Riot game server. What exit lag does is optimize your network Riot to provide the most stable connection possible. So that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother Valorant experience using exit lag. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to more exit log tutorials, gaming guides, and optimization tips. And if you'd like to try exit log with a 1-year 50% discount, be sure to check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.